Hello, my dear students. I am your Pinky teacher. I believe by the grace of our Almighty Creator, you are well. I am also well. It's my great pleasure to welcome you all grade 3 students to our AIMS Basque online class. Today, we'll go through our Bangladesh and Global Studies book for class 3. Chapter 5, topic Human Qualities. Page number 28. Now we'll say qualities of a good person. Qualities of a good person. Every person has some qualities. People are different because of those qualities. Let's start with a story. You can find this story, page number 28. One day, Raju has brought his mother to school for the farewell party of his favorite teachers, Mr. Jalal sir. The headmaster makes a speech saying Jalal sir is a good and honest man. We need more people like him. Then Raju whispers to his mother, Mom, what does a good man mean? His mother replies, good people behave well with everyone. They never harm others but always help others. They speak always the truth. They respect the old. They love old and young alike. They follow rules. They keep their promises. Everyone likes good people, just as you like Jalal sir. If you can develop those qualities, people will like you and say you are a good person. Now we'll do A. Speak. Page number 29. What good and bad qualities we have. In our class, you have some good qualities. For example, you are honest, good behavior, to respect the elders, sense of discipline, to help someone when he is in danger. In our class, some of you have bad qualities. For example, not to do homework regularly, to stay untidy, not to obey the rules. B. Write. Page number 29. Write a list of good qualities from the story. Now you know the story, am I right? Yes. Qualities of good people. Mr. Jalal always speaks the truth. He does not harm others. He keeps his promises. He respects the elders. D. Check. Page number 29. Why should we be good people? Answer is, everyone in the society likes and respects a good person. So, we all should be a good person. 2. Doing good deeds. Doing good deeds. We should respect our elders, help others and treat people equally. We should speak the truth and behave well to everybody. We should love all and follow the rules. These are all good deeds. Let us know a true story. Page number 30. One day a newspaper reported a true story of a poor man. While he was walking in the street, he found a bag full of money. He did not keep the money. He handed the money to the police station. Everybody read about his good deed. Some of them gave him a reward and they all praised him. Though he was very poor, but he is honest, we can say. A. Speak. Page number 31. Why do you do good deeds? Why do you do good deeds? Answer is, everyone in the society will love me if I do good deeds. That is why I do good deeds. Why do you not do bad deeds? Answer is, if I do bad deeds, everyone will hate me. That is why I do not do any bad deeds. D. Check. Page number 31. Fill in the blanks with appropriate words. Everyone in society dash a good person. What will be here? Yes, likes. Everyone in society likes a good person. 2. We should always dash elders. We should always respect elders. Yes. We should try to dash others in need. What will be here? Yes, we should try to help others in need. Now it's time to take your assignment. Think about the things you have done this week. Then make a list like below columns and write under these headings. Good deeds, bad deeds. You have to write like this. Thank you all. Stay home and be safe, and of course pray to our Almighty Creator that He can save us from COVID-19. Bye bye.